Northstar.gr is Northstar's website where you can book a ride with Beta motorcycles and experience guides. Navigate through our pages and read our news. Use our open calendar to choose your riding days, gang volume, packages, and many extras. Visit our online shop and pick up gear and apparel, new and used parts and gadgets that we will ship to you anywhere in the world. Start training with our online guided Enduro exercises plan. It's designed to strengthen, flex, and build an Enduro body to perform riding tasks that you feel weak doing or need to improve. Join our forum and communicate with a global Enduro group. Ask and answer, provide and acquire, search and give. Be a part of the gang in the Enduro Ghetto. Our website is a place for the Enduro rider to spend time and plan, read and enjoy. Inform and be informed on the global Enduro scene. But that's not just it. Furthermore, you can admire our artwork from the North Photo Ride magazine pages, starring you, a rider, or read our blog articles created from the field of guiding groups on our mountains, testing our gear, bikes, cars, and our lives in general. This is Northstar Enduro in Greece, and we've created Northstar.gr to host you and promote our enthusiasm for our sport, Enduro. Visit now and enjoy www.northstar.gr.